In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your portfolio to your LinkedIn profile. A strong LinkedIn profile can greatly enhance your professional image, and adding your portfolio makes you stand out, whether you are a designer, a developer, writer, or project manager. Let's get started. First, head over to linkedin.com using your preferred web browser. Log in using your email and password or through your Google or Microsoft account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, keep your phone nearby to verify your login. Once signed in, click your profile photo in the top right corner and select View Profile. This is where you can customize how others see you. Now, look for the Add Profile section button. It's located just below your profile picture. Click it, then go to the Recommended tab and select Add Featured. In the pop-up that appears, click the plus sign in the upper right corner and choose Add a Link. Paste your portfolio's URL into the box. Make sure it's correct link and that it leads directly to your work. Add a clear title as well, for example, UX design projects or published writing samples. Then write a brief but compelling description. Mention key projects, skills showcased, or measurable results like client success or engagement numbers. Use a custom domain for your portfolio if possible. It looks more polished. Only showcase your best work. Quality over quantity makes a stronger impression. Once done, click save. Review your profile to ensure it looks clean and professional. And that's it. You've now successfully added your portfolio to LinkedIn, giving potential employers and collaborators instant access to your work. Thanks for watching this video.